Also tonight, Guerrera teams up with reluctant partner Code 3 Daryl Roberts to defend the MCW Tag Team titles against the beast that is Bale. Normally, a tag team match consists of two teams, but Bale fought both the tag team champions on his own. Was Bale able to pull out the victory and become the MCW Tag Team Champion? All time will tell.
Now making his way to the ring for this handicap tag team title match. He is the beast known as Bale. Now, in the ring, he is one half of the MCW Tag Team Champions. And, ladies and gentlemen, the new United States Champion, Code 3, Daryl Roberts. Now making his way in the ring, the other half of the MCW Tag Team Champions and light cruiserweight champion.
It's Guerrera.
Oh, there you go. It's Guerrera, Beach. I can't believe I just said that. And to fix my earlier remark, I mean still United States Champion being Daryl Roberts. He retained against the Adman earlier tonight. And of course, Guerrera capturing the gold from Revile earlier tonight. That being the light cruiserweight title.
Alright, ring the bell!
Ring the bell.
And this match is underway.
Guerrera telling Code 3 to go ahead. And they decided to come in at the same time. I guess that's the best way to take out Bale. I think this is like one of the, I'm not going to say the biggest threats for Bale, because of course it's only ever singles losses have been to Eric Lash.
Taking turns, smashing.
He's 2-1 against Eric Lash. Eric Lash getting the better of Bale. But, oh wow, these guys are getting the better of Bale too right now.
Oh.
But I tell you right now, I don't know if they'll be able to beat him. And
That gun. Oh!
they took out Bale, but he sat back up.
Clothesline.
Uh-oh, this could be problematic.
A nice
Ooh,
vicious
Bale.
slap.
Bale taking them shots. He stopped real
Code 3
quick.
better hurry up and jump.
And here comes Code 3. Oh!
Beautiful.
Wow.
Both these guys.
Daryl Roberts trying to keep this match contained for Guerrera and himself. They want to retain their tag team titles, but Bale's had quite an illustrious couple of months here at MCW. He has not been defeated in this type of situation.
And now he's got his
I don't think he's
ankle
been in this
locked.
type of situation, but the ankle lock comes in.
Guerrera drops that elbow and Bale's getting up.
Bale
Back up.
I don't think Bale's ever been in this type of situation, nor I don't think he's ever
I don't think he cares.
fought.
And
I think you should shut up, commentator.
Jay's all by himself for the moment, and
I don't know if that's gonna work.
No, I didn't.
Eating that turnbuckle.
Yum, 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 right in the tongue. And here comes
Oh, see what that?
that power slam. Oh, no. Going for the Oklahoma.
Just drops him.
And textbook.
Going
Where's my barbecue sauce?
side.
And here comes the stop sign. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. No, he blocked it. Oh, he blocked it again. He does not want...
Bill says no. Never. Three doesn't know what to do.
He tried to hit him with that stop sign. That infamous stop sign. It was pretty much taking out a lot of competitors. Ooh, wow.
Stop sign was brought to you by Revile.
And that was, of course, seen during the Dirty Mexican match earlier tonight.
2.
No, says Jay Guerrera, but he can't reach with that second kick. Jay Guerrera just trying to break the pinfall cover. No. Oh.
There's that stop sign. Jagger's flick in the uppercut.
I'd have to say during the extreme motion of that stop sign and the unorthodox style of Jay Guerrera,
Another uppercut.
that may work.
And a double clothesline again.
Wow. Jay Guerrera really bringing it to Bale tonight, trying to anyway, along with Daryl Roberts. These guys are trying to...
Going quickly, I got it!
1, 2.
I think
And
not.
Bale just kind of shrugs him off.
Well, I was trying to say earlier was that Dirty Mexican match earlier, we saw the stop sign being used, and now we're seeing it here. And that helped to take down Bale.
Probably trying to figure out what he's going to do.
I got it.
Kicking. Choke slam.
A left-handed shoulder.
That's very rare.
Code 3 just
And I think Code 3's turn for one. Oh, maybe not.
This Bale is just a beast.
Oh, I think so.
Looks like he's gonna
Suplex.
suplex him.
No,
I'm not
reversal.
gonna let him do it.
Reversal.
Code 3 doesn't want to go.
No way. He's always going to suplex him. Hangs him up on the ropes. What's he going to do here? Trying to clothesline him over the rope. That didn't work. Right. Try number 2. That didn't work. Try number 3.
Third time.
And I think not.
And Code
Or
3
3
just
strikes, you're out.
A
with
charm
a
for
massive
Bale.
clothesline.
Charm for Bale, and 3 strikes, you're out for Daryl Roberts.
Oh yeah, they're both. Jay Guerrero now slowly getting up to his
Well, I gotta give these guys credit. They've been fighting pretty hard against Bale, and Bale, of course, being the savage beast himself.
Kicks Bale. Just
But these guys have
throws a
fought.
massive elbow into that knee.
But these guys have fought in previous matches already tonight, so they gotta be obviously tired too. Pulling up by the mask. And we have 2 masked wrestlers in this match. I totally forgot.
Got there.
One likes black, one likes red.
And who knows what the other likes.
Camo.
And twisting that arm.
Wrenching that arm around a couple times.
Back in the ring.
That shot right in the armpit trying to dislocate that arm.
These guys start off good, but then they kind of stop double
No,
teaming.
kind of smoky too. That's
Now
what
they
Daryl's
got
kind of
screwed over.
right. Uh-oh, what's this?
What in the?
Some type of chokehold takedown. Using his own arm against him.
Throws Code 3 down.
Grabbed him by the head and threw him down right over the neck, arm around the neck. I don't know.
Looks like he's gonna use that rope, and
Oh no, he's trying to go after that knee.
I don't blame him.
Oh my God.
Twisting that knee.
He said he wants to end Daryl Roberts here at blood damage, but I don't know what's going to
Jay
happen.
Guerrero's got that stop sign.
Although that stops
Hit
that.
Bale in the head.
Him in there with it. Oh!
Jay Guerrero's liking it.
Concussion.
Jay Guerrero's loving it. He stomps on it.
This Bale, he is not.
There's been
1, 2, and
Bale kicks out with authority, you
Oh,
can tell.
you got a 1 count on that.
I don't either.
I'm going to say it was 2 just so that Code 3 feels better. Because they just literally took it to Bale and Bale just kicked out. That's to make him feel better by having a 2 count
In case you
instead.
didn't notice, there's no referee in this ring, and
No referee dares to get in the ring.
because that is, you know, we are worried about our referee's safety. Shoulder block by
That
Bale.
J-Train definitely did not work against Bale.
He just plows Jay Guerrero over right there.
Daryl Roberts.
He's got a kendo stick.
Oh no.
Oh,
That weapon of just pain.
Again,
Like
brought to you by Revile.
Ravel also using that in a Dirty Mexican match, but not for very much time, seeing as Jay Guerrera said no, no, no.
Back.
I think Bale says yes, yes, yes. And I'm saying this is gonna hurt, hurt, hurt.
Did you see that bend around his back?
I think Jay Guerrera's been a bad boy. He just got a whipping.
Bale's going
Hey,
crazy.
he threw it right up by the crutches. Oh, perfect aim.
Oh my God.
Oh no, he broke it. This could be a choke slam. Choke slam?
Toss.
He's gonna do that two-handed.
No, he went for the choke toss. I think he was gonna do the double driver, but he just wanted to get down, get Daryl Roberts out of there.
Jay Guerrera's out of it. You just.
Oh, is he gonna put the kill switch on?
No, what's he going for here? Oh, some type of that crazy ass dragon sleeper.
That is
He's trying to pick him up.
That is nasty.
Oh no, this could be the epic power slam that we all have seen.
Oh!
Wow.
His foot.
He just took out Daryl
I hope
Roberts.
that wasn't his head that hit the wall.
No, that was
That was his feet. If it was head, I would have saw his head bounce.
Remember when we saw Ravel's head bounce off that?
Look at Jay Guerrera. I think he wants to
It was a while ago.
arm wrestle. Arm wrestle.
Jay Guerrera crazy?
Oh, thumb wrestle. Thumb wrestling. And a fleek. I can't believe I just said that.
Jay talking some of that trash to Bill.
I can't believe I just said fleek. He went from thumb wrestling to fleeking.
It
And he went
worked.
to a diamond
The
cutter.
JKO.
The Jake? Oh, it must be a new move. JKO?
I guess.
Sounds like a soda.
We'll
Or
call
you're just
it.
improvising.
We'll call it for what it's worth.
Yeah?
1, 2, and a 2 count by Jay Guerrera.
Wow. Now Bale I don't think has ever been in this type of situation.
Drops that knee.
Never been in this type of situation before, but
Bale have any nuts?
well, I'd say he has a lot of balls to do some things, but I don't know if he has them literally. Oh, he sits up. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe he heard me. I'm afraid for my life. Hide me.
Jay Guerrera's out of there. He's crawling. He's out of the ring now.
He's leaving Daryl Roberts defend for himself.
Daryl Roberts is out of it.
This could
He's
be
trying to
very,
get up. It's not working.
very bad. Very bad. Very bad.
Camera can't see it. Well, he dropped his stop sign.
Well, I think it's because that stop sign obviously didn't work. I don't think he wants to use it again.
I don't think anything's gonna work.
He missed Daryl Roberts' move, and Jay Guerrera's got an illegal implement. Well, legal, I guess.
Stop! Stop! Stop!
Stop the pain, but I guess that's not gonna happen.
Honestly, you can't leave! Stupid! Dumb shit!
He just called Bale stupid. I don't think it's a good idea. He's trying to squish his head between his hands.
Do you give? Is there any switching on his back?
I guess so. Is it?
I don't know.
Oh, he let go, so I guess that answers our question.
Yes or no?
Yes, there are submission
I'm
holds.
blind!
He's gonna talk.
I'm blind!
Bale gonna talk.
Or he's gonna hit. Oh, I think he's gonna knock someone in the head with it.
I'm so blind!
And I think that person's gonna beat Daryl Roberts.
Waiting for him
If
to
he can
get
get
up.
up.
So blind!
He's calling for a code 3.
Jay Guerrera down there blind apparently.
Whatever the hell that is.
Oh!
Oh, Bill.
Uh-oh.
Three got clocked.
Timber.
Well,
They are out of it.
I'd say that the unorthodox style have gotten Jay Guerrera and Daryl Roberts through some tough times, but I don't know if they're gonna get them through tonight.
I doubt it. They're down. They're fucked up.
Oh, here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Beware of Daryl Roberts on the floor.
Jay Guerrera's fighting back a little bit.
The JKO. No?
Oh, the J-Dog.
The J Dog. What's up, dog?
Dudley
God, what's up, dog? I think that's why we call it the J
One.
Dog.
2!
Oh, shit!
The acid
Did you hear all
drop,
that
I don't
energy
know.
it took Jay just to flip him over for a pen?
Acid drop, I believe is the technical name for it.
But we can call it the J Dog, I guess. The J Diggity Dog.
And Bale's sitting up.
So running
Jay Guerrera's
JK,
down.
all your dumb shit!
I don't think Jay knows Bale. Oh, he knows Bale's getting up now.
Running JKO.
Well, I'm sorry, we're not
You're dumb
familiar
shit,
with
I
your
know.
Mexican.
You're so stupid!
Meeting with the commentators beforehand.
Yes,
Oh!
you fool.
And Jay Guerrera in
Who
that
are we, Jim
corner.
Ross?
No, he's horrible.
Got another corner.
Exactly.
At least King calls moves, but JR's just like, oh, look at that move.
With the stick.
Oh, look at that. He's got that illegal implement against his throat. Even though I don't want to say it's a stick. Oh, and he snapped it. That ends that for Jay Guerrera. I don't know if he'll be able to freestyle anymore.
I don't know.
You see that bonus
You're
move
so
at the end
fat,
of
everyone knows that. That's why you.
Oh, so you going for that kill switch?
Oh,
Kill
I
switch?
forgot it.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That
That kill
snap.
switch.
Snap. Like,
This is horrible.
wow. Did you see the snappage on, like, Coach Daryl
Whose
Roberts'
idea
hand?
was to put these guys in this match?
I believe that was Eric Lash for the fact that Bale wanted some retribution against the CWO as well as getting at Daryl Roberts.
Well, he hasn't.
And he's getting it right now, but I'm telling you right now, I don't think both of these guys were ready for this. I know Bale was, but I can obviously tell that Jay Guerrera and Daryl Roberts weren't. But they signed the contract anyway for this matchup.
That was foolish of them. And
He's got those tag belts.
1, 2, 3.
What the
And
hell?
Bale wins with a very dominating match.
And that was for the tag title?
Yeah.
Yep.
But I don't know. Bale's he's dropping the titles. Does that mean? What does that mean?
Just throwing those titles down.
Wait a minute. He's grabbing a different title. That's the one he wants. He's been wanting the U.S. title for some time, which is held by Daryl Roberts. This is what it was about, I guess, just to get Daryl Roberts, get under his skin.
He just throws that down.
But Bale just won the tag team titles. Your winner and new tag team champions, Bale, but he's throwing down the belts. He doesn't want them.
So it is.
He's made himself known he wants that U.S. title. I don't know. I just want to find out next Fury show. This is controversial, but anyway, folks, coming up next, your main event.